Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to lock your profile officially. To do this, first of all, open your Facebook application and hit on the menu button which is on the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, go to your profile and then click on the three dots and do click on lock profile. From there, select the lock your profile option, and now you have locked your profile. If you want to view it, then you can go back and then click on the view as. From here, you can see how your profile looks when it is locked. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.